Welcome back, sweet friends, and Happy New Year. I'm so glad you're here. Yes, we did see some snow. You have to let me know. Do you see snow in your area where you're at? Did you have a white Christmas? We rarely get a white Christmas here in Kentucky. Occasionally we do see snow, but most of the time it's after the middle of January when we start seeing the snow fly. But I didn't see any on the ground. It was just some snow flurries for that day. But it's a little bit exciting for me because I do love the snow. Now that Christmas is over, it's time to start thinking about decorating for the winter season without it looking too Christmassy. And there's some Christmas themes that allows for a winter theme, like Winter Wonderland with lots of snow and snowflakes and white Christmas villages. And then there's also the woodland theme where you may have deers, woodland animals, and pine trees. That can also be another great option for winter decorating. I love to use some of the pine cone picks and some of the pine cones for my decoration. So if you want to steer away from the Christmas theme and just want a true winter vibe, keep on watching. When I think of winter essentials, I think of cozy warm blankets and soft fluffy pillows. So when you incorporate these items in your winter decor, you instantly get all of those nice winter feels. And if you're fortunate to have a fireplace like we do, it just brings in so much more warmth and coziness to our home. Just because the Christmas season's over doesn't mean the magic has to end. Keep some warm fairy lights, maybe rearranging them inside a vase as a filler or placing them on your mantle, maybe in a table setting or inside a lantern like I'm going to show you for that warm winter glow. When I think about winter season, I think about getting comfy and cozy and away from the cold, creating or keeping up your hot chocolate bar. My hubby and I still love a cup of hot cocoa throughout the winter. You don't have to put your hot cocoa bar away yet, so keep the tray filled with chocolate and marshmallows. Maybe change out the holiday mugs and cookies, and you still have a beautiful winter hot chocolate station. Candle and lanterns are a great use in your winter decor. Think about taking all of the red out for the holidays. You could leave the glittery trees if you wanted to that look like they're snow covered or frosted. And adding a rug to your hearth can give the perfect winter vibe, and it just brings warmth and coziness to the room. Although I do like to leave a couple of trees up, I do take down all of my wreaths and any Christmas tree that's been decorated, and my home almost becomes like a minimal style until spring. And then that way, when spring rolls around, I have very little to pack away and time to do all the cleaning and then decorating for the spring. So this just sort of gets me prepared, and it sort of gives me my home the opportunity to breathe a little bit without so many decorations. And so my next video that I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing my dining room, table, hutch, and my buffet. Just keeping it neutral for the winter theme, keeping out my snowmen and a few snowflakes. And I'm bringing my tree back out that I had back in the office. And it almost goes back to a little bit of a farmhouse feel. I'm going to show you the final reveal, and here's what I decided after moving a few things around here and there and just trying to get a feel where I want this for the winter months. And here's what it turns out to be. Larry's going to light us a warm and cozy fire to enjoy our new decorations for our winter decor here in our home. So I did make a few changes. I did remove the blue pillows from the chairs on both sides of the fireplace. And I put a more neutral color, just a beige color pillow on each. This is what I have up on my mantle. I have just added the word snow, some little frosted trees, and my demijohn jars with the frosted pine picks. I added the blue ticking and a blue, navy blue and white throw on my sofa. Over in my entry, I have brought the sled from the fireplace, the ice skate shoes, make it look authentic for winter. And I did bring in the little tree, and that has lights on it. I thought it didn't. I really didn't want the lights, but I did go ahead and just turn them on just to give it a little bit of glow for our winter decor. And this is what I did to my lantern. I had some birch wood, faux birch wood, and I put a pine pick and some lights in that lantern, and I just love how that turned out and how it looks. Over here by the fireplace, I used the old wooden crate with a dark green tree and the pine cones. So this is my winter decor. It will stay up till spring, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that I have inspired you to decorate your own home. And I will see you in my next video. If you happen to be new here, my name is Rebecca. Welcome. I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and became part of my YouTube family. And let me know your name and where you're watching from. And all others, be sure and leave me a comment or leave me those 2 hearts that you know I just love. And hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my video, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you're all having a blessed new year. I'll see you in my next video.